The government of St. Vincent and the Grenadines has announced plans to strengthen surveillance and monitoring of the La Soufrière volcano. Some of the plans include new staff appointments, the installation of 8 additional mountain monitoring stations, and upgrades to existing monitoring sites. The government will fill the posts of a geoscientist and a seismic technician this year, adding that the upgraded observatory will support advanced research. La Soufrière last erupted explosively in April 2021 following increased volcanic activity that began in December. The eruption resulted in widespread ashfall, the evacuation of more than 20,000 people, and significant disruption across the country. And U.S. President Donald Trump on Friday threatened to place tariffs on nations that do not go along with his ambitions to take over Greenland. The country is a self-governing territory that is controlled by Denmark. Trump made the revelation at a White House meeting. He did not say which countries might be hit with new tariffs or what authority he would invoke to use tariffs in pursuit of his goal. Along with Denmark and Greenland, other countries oppose his ambitions, and many in the U.S. have expressed skepticism about an acquisition. And those were the top stories from around the world. I'm Nakinsky Robinson.